National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jackson County, Dubuque County, northern Jones County, Delaware County, northeastern Lynn County until 10 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Backbone State Park to Delhi to Langworthy, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Otter Creek, New Vienna, South Gary Owen, Sherrill, Bankston Park, Fillmore, Central City, Balltown, Macocata Caves State Park, Wapaton, Latterville, Pinnacon Ridge Park, Buck Creek, Bailey's Ford Park, Petersburg, East Rickettsville, Dubuque County Fairgrounds, Waubeke, Dubuque, and Worthington. Take cover now. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.